Migrating payroll from Excel to attendhrm in minutes. I have been using Microsoft Excel to process payroll, but as the number of employees grew, it became difficult to continue with Excel. Finally, I found attendhrm. Now, I'm going to show you how to migrate my payroll from Excel to attendhrm in just a few minutes. Here is my payslip in Excel. This payslip is using data and formulae from multiple sheets. I'm going to move all these data and formulae into attendhrm. Step 1. Create salary heads. Create a salary head for each item in the payslip. Step 2. Create a salary group. Pick the salary heads just created to form a salary group. Define formulae where required. The formula editor allows you to connect payroll to the attendance module. Step 3. Assign employees to the salary group. I'm going to add all the production managers to the salary group we just created. Now, update data for the employees. You can also import data from Excel files. Step 4. Create a period. I'm going to process payroll for the current month. Step 5. Salary processing. Just pick employees and proceed to salary processing. The processing is done. All reports and payslips are created. Go to the payslip screen to verify the payslips and the calculation history. Now, let's take a look at the reports. First, the payslip. Now, the salary register. Bank transfer statement. Step 6. Close the period. Now that the payslips and reports for the current month are prepared, let's close the period. Next month onwards, it's easier to process payroll as the rules to process payroll are already defined. Let's process payroll for the next month. It's easy. Just create a period and run salary processing. It's done. Now, let's compare data between the 2 months. The comparison report shows the changes between the periods. This makes it easy to locate issues, if any. Easy, isn't it? attendhrm has all the features to manage your payroll, no matter how complicated it is.